red and sweet, crunchy, juicy, what a treat! Banana yellow, soft and long, peel and eat, it makes me strong. Orange, orange, round and bright, squeeze the juice, feels just right. Grape so tiny, purple too, eat a bunch, just me and you. Strawberries, red and small, dipped in cream and eat them all. Watermelon, big and green, juicy slices, fresh and clean. Mango, mango, soft and gold, sweet and yummy, never old. Pineapple spiky, yellow inside, tart and juicy, take a bite. Cherry, cherry, small and bright, pop it in, feels so right. Peach is fuzzy, soft to chew,